One of the classical dances of India, Bharatanatyam could well be the oldest classical dance. It is classical because it follows texts, or maybe the texts follow it. Who knows? For we are talking here of over 2000 years of cultural history. In fact, with its first reference in a text dating back to over 2000 years, Bharatanatyam can undoubtedly claim unmatched antiquity. With origins lost in history, this exquisite and sophisticated dance form comes to us in the 21st century with a sense of surrealistic splendor and dazzling dynamics. The dance certainly has close linkages with old sculpture and paintings, which give it quiet authority without infringing on the expansive creative spaces it needs. The question that might arise in your mind is whether the dance is only, if not primarily, a musicologist's delight, or does it hold more in its ambit? The dance embraces the most abstracted and evolved concepts of human thought, enunciated in poetry, arranged to melody, and framed in the perimeter of rhythm. But Bharatanatyam today has the world as its stage. All parts of India and most parts of the world resound to the sounds of the solas, the mnemonics of Bharatanatyam, the aid memoirs for which generations of students of Bharatanatyam have taught their movements. What accounts for this high receptivity worldwide to this dance? Is it its perfect architecture that reflects the silhouettes of the temple? Or is it the demanding physicality of the dance? Could it be the unspoken challenge it offers of mastering multiple arts that make Bharatanatyam so attractive to many? Being a Bharatanatyam dancer for over 2.5 decades and having traveled extensively in the course of my dance career, I feel equipped and advantaged enough to be able to answer this question honestly. I believe that Bharatanatyam has a beneficial physical and emotional dimension, but this is not all. The kernel of its attractiveness lies in its ability to establish conduits like high-tension electricity wires through which emotions can flow and magnetize hearts that are unknown strangers to each other. More than that, even without an audience, in the practice of the dance levitates me, abstracting me away from the mundane, from the grid of stress and strain, allowing me moments of dhyana and meditation in my own secret space and in my own secret time. Bharatanatyam helps me find my own Chidambaram. When I try to explain this to people, they feel that the glow on my face, that sense of joy, which the Shastras describe as Paramanandam, stems from the fact that the dance calls upon the blessings of the entire pantheon of Hinduism. Admittedly, once the dance had ritualistic value, but today you can see only a few rituals in it. In fact, it moved out of the temples onto secular spaces accessible to all. Its concerns depict our times, trials and tribulations. It has moved from only myth and mildness to issues and arguments, reflective of an organic process. Its language has evolved and its grammar and syntax are different. But what we call Bharatanatyam today was not exactly what it was 50, 200, 500, 1000 or even 2000 years ago. In fact, it wasn't even known as Bharatanatyam till 7 decades ago. It was known as Sadir. At that time, after centuries of patronage, the dance was coming out of a long eclipse of neglect, hounding and condemnation. It owes its resurgence to a combination of historical circumstances and enlightened minds. As one link in a long chain of dancers of this style, I realize that there is no possibility of fixed identities rooted in pristine Indianness. Bharatanatyam is qualified by the spirit of the sacred and celebrates values that are intrinsic and eternal to the Indian civilization. Like the history of man's civilization or the rivers that nurtured it, the dance form flows through the ages.
తాండవేశగా స్వనటనే తాండవేశగా స్వనటనే శబ్ద పదతాడనాథ్ తాండవేశగా స్వనటనే దింగిణతు దింగిణతు తాండవేశగా స్వనటనే శబ్ద పదతాడనాథ్ గలితో నుబురోవేగా పుత్రుత్య పతనే దివగా గలితో నుబురోవేగా పుత్రుత్య పతనే దివగా అక్షమా పృథివీత్యేవం చింతయన్ కరుణానిధిః శిరగ కందోరుధ్వదేశస్త జానునయ సమయేశ్వరగ సంధార్యనుపురో పాదయన్ శంకరగ శబ్దో జాతో నోపురవేగదగ తద్దిత్వం నం తదా శబ్దో జాతో నోపురవేగదగ అనంతతాళ శబ్దానాం ఉత్పత్తౌ మూల కారణం అనంతతాళ శబ్దానాం ఉత్పత్తౌ మూల కారణం తద్దిత్తక జన్ను తద్దిత్తక జడదాంగ దిత్తక జన్ను దిత్తక జడదాంగ తక్క జన్ను తక్క జడదాంగ దిత్తక జడదాంగ తద్దిత్తక జడదాంగ కిడతక దరి కిడతం తా ధీ కిడతక దరి కిడతం తా ధీ కిడతక దరి కిడతం అనంతతాళ శబ్దానాం ఉత్పత్తౌ మూల కారణం అనంతతాళ శబ్దానాం ఉత్పత్తౌ మూల కారణం తద్ధిం తధిం తాంగిట తకధిం తధిం తాంగిట ధిం ధిం తధిం తాంగిట తద్ధిం తధిం తకధిం తధిం ధిం ధిం తధిం తద్ధిం తకతధిం ధిం తధిం తద్ధింగిణతం తా త జుం తద్ధింగిణతం తా త జుం తద్ధింగిణత అనంతతాళ శబ్దానాం ఉత్పత్తౌ మూల కారణం అనంతతాళ శబ్దానాం ఉత్పత్తౌ మూల కారణం తద్ధిం దిన తాంగిట తకధిం దిన తాంగిట ధిం ధిం దిన తాంగిట తద్ధిం తధిం తకధిం తధిం ధిం ధిం తధిం తధిం తకతధిం ధిం తధిం తా ధి తుం తకధిక తదింగిణ తుం తా ధి తకధిక తదింగిణ తుం తా తకధిక కొడతక దరికిడ తుం తా తకధిక కొడతక దరికిడ తుం తా తకధిక కొడతక దరికిడ తుం అనంతతాళ శబ్దానా ఉత్పత్తౌ మూల కారణం అనంతతాళ శబ్దానాం ఉత్పత్తౌ మూల కారణం తాండవేశగా த